All right, so we've been talking about vitamin B, which I'm not done with, but I will continue that in the next video. But tonight I was making supper and I thought maybe I can share that with you guys because it's full of vitamin B. It's easy to do, it's full of fibers, and it's low calorie, and it's healthy. So let's make this together, shall we? So first thing we're gonna use is, it's all in one pan kind of thing. So this is 200 grams of, or 1 cup of rice. I should start with tying my hair, right? So that the hair doesn't fall in. There we go. Next ingredient, a whole green pepper or red. Next one is broccoli. Broccoli, so about a cup. Next is green beans. So a whole cup of green beans. And then we're gonna turn it. We're gonna add some chickpeas. So a whole cup of this. Next one is chicken. So I cut them all in little pieces. And in here I have 3 breasts. Next we're gonna pour coconut, but light coconut milk all over. And we're gonna add half a can of water. And here's the water. And I forgot to put a handful of spinach. Next thing is called the red curry paste. So this is a 270 ml. I'm gonna use half of it because it's gonna give you a little oomph, that's for sure. And then salt and pepper. And we're just gonna mix everything together. Cover with aluminum foil, and then we put it in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. All right, so now it's out of the oven. Do you wanna have a look? Look. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just cover it with cheese and I'll put it back in the oven for about, just for a broil, for about 5 or 10 minutes or so. And then it's gonna be ready for supper. So I just wanna say, this is easy to do. You just need to wash your vegetables, slice them in little pieces, you throw them all in a Pyrex and put it in the oven, let it do its work. And then you have full vitamin B's and extra things. All right. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. And I'm going to say, till the next time. Toodaloo.